Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into two of the biggest names in project management. Clickup versus Asana. Both offer powerful features, but how do they stack up? In this video, we will break down the key differences, pricing, ease of use, and help you decide which one is the right fit for your team's needs. So let's begin. ClickUp is a productivity and project management platform designed to help teams organize, collaborate, and manage tasks, projects, and workflows in one centralized location. If you're curious about the pricing, if you click this button right here, you would notice that they offer a generous free forever plan which has this kind of limited features that you can use. Of course, it's very ideal if you wanted to test waters and gauge if this is going to be the platform for you. The unlimited, which is best for small teams, comes at $7 and you get all in free forever plus all these. Now the business plan comes at $12 and you get all these. And the enterprise is something that you might wanna contact sales first before you dive into that big commitment. Now, for us to be able to create an account here, just click the sign up button. You would be forwarded in this section. And all you have to do is sign up using your email, and then you should be able to receive a welcome email from ClickUp once you have successfully created your account. And from here, all I have to do is click the sign in button. You will be then forwarded to the main dashboard of ClickUp. And one of the key features you will notice is the task and project management. There is a plus button here wherein you can create a space. All right. Click and continue. You can use any of the following templates. All right. You can use starter, marketing teams, project management, product and engineering, or you can also customize the defaults for starter like default views, task and status, or click apps. All right, you have all these. Enable click apps, click on done, and click on the creative space. You would be forwarded to this very customizable template. Let's use now the default view for now, and click on done. All right. Now, similarly, from here, you can assign task right here. You can add a task. You can assign it to someone else. Put a due date. Put the status from urgent, high, normal, low. And of course, you can also edit the tags right here if you want. Enter. And you have also to add a custom field if you want. And then in terms of the automation, if you click that, you would be forwarded to this automation and workflows wherein you can automate repetitive tasks, create custom workflows, and set triggers to streamline extensive automation options and reduce manual effort. Now, in this section right here, if you go to the App Center, you can integrate with popular tools like Dropbox, Figma, GitHub, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and more, which is helpful if you wanted to have an API for custom integrations and also for mobile and desktop apps. And from here, you can generate report and analytics, perform track team progress, and visualize productivity measures. And you can also, again, add meaningful fields, tasks, and attributes to tasks for better organization. Now, if we go over to our next contender, which is Asana, it is a popular project management tool that offers features to streamline collaboration, improve productivity, and ensure that everyone on a team stays aligned on tasks and deadlines. If you're curious about the pricing, just click this button right here. You would notice the personal plan comes at $0, free forever, and you can have to have these features. If you wanted to scale up and go to the starter plan, it comes at $6.92 and you get to have all these. The advance is at $15.74. In terms of the businesses and enterprises, you might want to make sure that you contact the sales department because it's a big commitment. And if you wanted to test waters and gauge if Asana is the application or project management tool for you, click the Get Started button. You would be forwarded in this section wherein you can continue creating an account using your Google, or you can use your business or personal email. Once you have successfully created your account here in Asana, you should be able to receive a welcome email and just click on the button that says Get Started and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard. Now, you would notice that one of the key features of Asana is the task management, wherein you can create a project from scratch, use a template, or import a spreadsheet from another tool. We're going to use this template from cross-functional project plan to event planning, work requests, or meeting agenda. All right, so for now, we're going to be using the work requests. We can simply use this template by clicking this small button. You can rename this project and you can have the privacy to share it to your workspace or private to members only. Click the create project and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard, wherein you would notice that it offers an intuitive interface. You have the create button on the upper left corner. You can create tasks. You can have the project wherein you can group tasks into projects with clear objectives and track their progress using various views. All right, click on task. If you do that, you would be forwarded here. You can mention someone, add a file from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive. All right. You can also use the share button on the upper right corner, where if you wanted to add your team members, especially helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers, or if you want to share this project data to your client, you can also do that. All right. You can add task here. You can put in the priority level. It's a high effort level, high effort, type work request, and of course the due date if you want. And you see this customize button, you can add more fields like rules, forms, and on the Asana AI tab is one of the new features wherein you can ask anything here. If you wanted to automate repetitive tasks, right here you can do that as well. Right, it's one of the best features for creating a small content. All right. Now, having said all of that, I highly suggest you choose Asana, all right, if you are looking for something that requires a unified platform with a robust and task management tool and collaboration, all right, or if you're looking for project tracking, automation, and goal setting, or if you are a part of teams needing extensive customization and flexibility, all right, that's for Asana. Now, you might want to choose Clickup if you're looking for a well-structured tool for projects and tasks and subtasks, which is great for teams needing a clear project timelines and dependency tracking. Because both ClickUp and Asana are both popular project management tools, but again, they cater to slightly different use cases and teams. And again, it depends on your goals, needs, and budget. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.